50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 11. Contentment. Lord, help me find contentment in the present moment. Teach me to be satisfied with what I have and to cherish the simple joys of life. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Volunteer for a beach or park cleanup event.
For unity for a happier world.
In unity, we can bridge the gaps between different cultures, religions, and backgrounds.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a chance to leave behind a legacy of love, wisdom, and inspiration for future generations.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.